Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use string charAt method in JavaScript. Without any further delay, let's start. First, I will create a variable named text, and in this variable, I will take a string boost coding. This is my channel name. Now what I want from this string, I want the first character index position of this string. For this I will use string charAt method, and I will create a new variable here for the return value which I will get from this method. First char post text charAt. Now listen carefully here. This method returns the character at a specified index position in a string, and this method takes only one parameter that is totally optional, and that parameter is the index value, and that index value is always start from 0. 0 is the first character position, and 1 is the second character position, and second is the third character position, and so on and so forth. Okay, and this parameter is totally optional, and I want here is 0, and because I want the first character index position of the string, so I write here 0. Let's see what I will get. I got B. If I remove 0 index value, I will get the same value, because by default it will take 0 index value when you will omit. Now I want the fourth index value of this string. For this I will create a new variable, fourth char post text charAt. Okay, now I want the fourth character index position of the string, so I will write here 3. I got S. Now finally I want to last character index position of this string, so I will create a new variable, last char post text dot charAt, and for this I will use dot length property here, -1. And you will get G. Okay guys, but when your index value is out of range, this method always return empty string. See, if I remove -1 from here, and you will see I got empty string. Okay, and always remember that when your index value is out of range, this method always return empty string. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you like my video, then subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.